A plan to make subway safer for New Yorkers. Mayor Adams, Governor Hochul, and the MTA came together today with how they plan to crack down on subway violence that's been rampant this year. Well, News 12's Shakti Dennis has more.
More cops, more cameras, and more care. That's how the city and the state plan to make New York City public transit safer.
We'll do whatever we can, whatever is necessary to keep New Yorkers safe.
Today, Governor Kathy Hochul, Mayor Eric Adams, and the MTA announced their new 3 C's approach to dealing with the recent surge of attacks on the subway and buses.
What we're announcing here today is a beefing up of the police presence on the subway platforms and cars.
With money from the state's public emergency fund, the NYPD is adding 12,000 extra overtime shifts at 300 stations. The MTA police is also taking over 4 major railway hubs to allow an additional 100 NYPD officers to patrol the subway system.
I think it's important that we do deploy our officers so people do feel safe, and then hopefully we can deter that behavior or prevent that behavior.
Train conductors will now also let riders know when police officers are on board and on the platform. MTA police, NYPD officers, and EMT will now receive more training to better deal with people experiencing homelessness and those with mental health issues.
And we'll be focusing on the most severely mentally ill individuals.
The governor also pledged to create 2 new inpatient units for people suffering from severe mental illness, adding a total of 50 beds.
This is longer-term supportive assistance housing.
Last month, Hochul and the MTA announced that every subway car will be equipped with 2 security cameras by 2025.
Bottom line is that we need people to be safe and on the subway system and feel safe on the subway system.
They hope these new measures will help bring ridership back to pre-pandemic levels. In Brooklyn, I'm Shakti Dennis, News 12.